everyone, welcome to our weekly update. So I'm going to start today's update with Elon Musk. So he sent Twitter into a bit of a frenzy yesterday and the crypto market by tweeting that Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. He said that he's concerned about the increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining, especially coal. Crypto is a good idea on many levels, but we cannot come at a great cost to the environment. So Elon sent that tweet out, and in turn, Bitcoin pretty much crashed about 22%. So, yep, Elon Musk has got a lot of power and a lot of followers on Twitter, and when he does tweet something, it can have an impact on the market. That's just the way it is. That's the world that we live in. One thing that I did want to point out to you is this orange line, which is the 21-week EMA, and then we're looking at the weekly chart. So Bitcoin kind of likes to normally hug this line, as you can see, and we basically got away from it a little bit when we were on our major bull run, and on the 15th of February, we're quite far away from it. Now, traditionally, before Bitcoin can make a move higher, it would normally come and touch the 21-week EMA, and as you can see here, it has done so. And so yeah, the question obviously is, are we going to continue to bounce around between the 50 and the 60k? Are we going to go higher than 60k, or are we going to go lower than 50k? And I guess that is the question. But if you move your eyes down to the bottom, what I want to show you as well is the hash ribbons. And generally a hash ribbon starts to build momentum during capitulation. It turns green, and then when it turns blue, that's normally a major signal to buy Bitcoin. And as you can see here, on the 6th of July 2020, after the buy signal, it did go up. Started capitulation again, 26th of October, and our buy signal was on the 30th of November for this major move higher. Now, as you can see, we've just entered the capitulation stage again. So hopefully, if this capitulation doesn't last too long, we should see a blue buy signal, hopefully, in a couple of weeks' time, and that should move Bitcoin over the 60k and moving higher. But to be honest, I'm not 100% certain. The way the market is at the moment, it could go either way. So we've just got to monitor it and watch it every day. So about 4 hours ago, early this morning, Deepak Chopra sent a tweet as a response to Elon Musk's fossil fuel tweet. And he basically said that HBAR, or Hedera hash graph, is a public network to build a sustainable future on. Our mission is to build a peaceful, just, sustainable and healthy world. Let's partner at Tesla, at SpaceX and at HBAR. Now, following that, HBAR went on a massive move higher, and it went up by about 70%. Now, I was already awake, and we have this trade in our trade signals group. And so we originally brought in on the 28th of April. That was our buy price. And you can see that the price did go up. It came back down, and then the tweet this morning, boom. So we managed to take profit at 40 cents. So this is a good way of explaining again how our trade signals do work. So if you'd have brought on the 28th of April when we had the buy signal, you wait for it to move higher, and then it got lower. You could have got pretty spooked the last couple of days by the market and sold down here at a pretty big loss. We held out, we were patient, and we ended up taking our profit. And we made 40% on that trade. Another example of that is SNX. And so we got into SNX on the 26th of April. and we took profits on the 13th of May. So it was another 40% return in just 17 days. And Loopring was very similar. So we purchased it on the 29th of April. It went up, it went down, it went up, and then boom, we managed to take profit at 43% on the 12th of May. So I just wanted to explain again, our trade signals, they're not designed to buy one day and sell the next and be disappointed that you didn't make any money. The idea is that the fundamentals of the coin is good, the technical analysis is good, and if you're a little bit patient, you can see that we this month alone have had 4 trades that have made us over 40% each. If you'd like to understand a little bit more about how the trade signals work, I created a new video called How to Set Up and Use Our Trade Signals. So that's available on YouTube, and it will give you a deep understanding of how to trade using our trade signals. If you haven't signed up to the trade signals yet, you can head over to Twitter, twitter.com/thecrypto_coach. We've changed and updated our logo now to this neon sign, and there's a picture of me. And you can click here for your first month free, and there's quite a few links to our trade signals throughout here. You can see that I've retweeted the Deepak Chopra. So look, thanks so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you really like the video content that we have, share it with a friend, and jump over to Twitter. You can see this isn't financial advice, but you can sign up to our trade signals from here, and we can give you some good, solid insights into the crypto market. Okay, so thanks very much, and we'll see you next week.